Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 IIT physics class. Children, what we were doing? We completed acceleration part in the previous class. Today's topic is we are going to discuss exercise questions. Okay, it's very important exercise questions. So let's start. Before going to start the exercise questions, some points we will discuss. Very important, children, speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour, very important units of speed. This one, how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour to meter per second, very important to understand this one. That one first we will do. Okay now children? So see, suppose kilometer per hour, you have to convert into meter per second. How to convert? Okay, there are some points are there, but how it came, that is a matter you must understand. So kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer distance is covered in 1 hour. Okay children, what we are doing? We are converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay. So 1 kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer distance is covered in 1 hour. 1 kilometer convert into meter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Whereas 1 hour equal to how many seconds? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it not children? So you see 1 0 1 0 cancel. Here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. How much? 5 by 3 6 ja 18. What is the unit? Meter per second. Okay, it means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Clear children? Did you see how I converted kilometer per hour into meter per second? Just like this, you can convert kilometer per hour into meter per minute also. Meter per minute also. How? Instead of converting hour into second, you convert hour into minute. Means here only 60 will come. Okay, only 60 will come that time. So like that, kilometer per hour into meter per second you can convert. How can you use it? Suppose question is convert 6 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, 6 kilometer per hour into meter per second. How to convert? As 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second, then 6 kilometer per hour is equal to 6 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Is it now? So 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. How much? 5 by 3 meter per second. How much equal to? 6 kilometer per hour is equal to. Okay, so you see how we used this one in the question. Directly you will not get like this, that convert this kilometer per hour into that meter per second. This will be one of the part of the question. Question will be given, you have to convert that time, okay, in the required unit. So for that you must know how to convert the units. Okay, so very useful this one, kilometer per hour into meter per second. Please note down this. So children, next is we will learn how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now only what we saw? Kilometer per hour into meter per second. Now what? Meter per second to kilometer per hour, how to convert? So 1 meter per second means 1 meter by 1 second. Means 1 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Okay, 1 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Now you have to convert into kilometer per hour. So meter you have to convert into kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Is it not, children? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Is it not? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay. Now, second you have to convert into hour. 1 hour is equal to how much? 60 into 60 seconds. Then 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 into 60 hour. Is it? So, in 1 second place what you will write? 1 by 60 into 60 hour. Clear? Now, fractional division. 1 by 1000 into reciprocal. 60 into 60 by 1. And what is the unit? Kilometer per hour. Okay. Now cancel. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja. 6 3 ja, 18 by 5. Kilometer per hour. Okay, now children. So 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now suppose question is convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. You have to convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. How to convert? 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Then 20 meter per second is equal to 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. Now so 20 meter per second is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Okay children, please note down this. This also note down. Note. So see children, first question is a train runs fast a telegraph pole in 18 seconds with a speed of 10 meter per second. Then what is the length of the train? Question is train. Okay, you have to find length of train, you have to find. Okay, this train speed of the train is 10 meter per second. Train is running with the speed of 10 meter per second, and when it crosses a telegraph pole, in what time? 18 seconds. It takes 18 seconds to cross a telegraph pole. Its speed is 10 meter per second. You have to find length of the train. So children, this train type question, no? Here you have to remember, whenever train is passing through any stationary object like pole, okay, telegraph post, pole, okay, this type of stationary object, then the length of the train is equal to the minimum distance covered by the train. Minimum distance covered by train is equal to length of train. Clear? So that is equal to, that is a distance. Minimum distance is equal to what? Distance formula, speed into time. So as the train is passing through any stationary object, telegraph pole or telegraph post, then minimum distance covered by train is equal to length of train. So length of train is equal to what? Minimum distance covered by train. that is equal to what? Formula speed into time. What is the speed? Speed of train is 10 meter per second. Okay, 10 meter per second into time is 18 seconds. Okay, so 10 into 18, 180 meter. That is what? Length of train. Therefore, length of train is equal to 180 meter. Here children, one point you have to note down. In this, one more type of question is coming. Whenever train is passing through any platform or bridge, that is one more type question. So for that you have to remember, if train is passing through any platform or bridge, then minimum distance covered by train is equal to length of train plus length of platform or length of bridge. Clear children? These are the 2 points you must remember. If the train is passing through any stationary object like telegraph post, pole, these type things, then what? Minimum distance covered by train is equal to only length of train. But if the train is passing through any platform or bridge, then minimum distance covered by train is equal to length of train plus length of platform. Or if it is crossing through bridge, length of train plus length of bridge. Clear? Write down. So see children, the next question is, when a car driver traveling at an initial velocity of 20 meter per second, okay, car driver drives and traveling its initial velocity. Initial velocity means starting velocity. Initial velocity, starting velocity is what? 20 meter per second. Applies brakes and brings the car to rest. Car brings the car to rest in time what? 5 seconds. Then what is acceleration? Okay, so see children, here initial velocity of car, starting velocity of car is what? 20 meter per second. Then applies brake and comes to rest. So its final velocity, think what will be the final velocity? Final velocity of car. As the car comes to rest, means stop. If it stop, then what is the final velocity? 0. Final velocity is 0 meter per second. Whenever a body comes to rest, its final velocity is 0. Whenever a body starts from rest, its initial velocity is 0. Remember this one children. Whenever a body starts, a body is stopped. Okay, it starts from rest, then its initial velocity is 0. Whenever a moving body comes to rest, its a final velocity is 0. So here also applies brakes and the car comes to rest. So its final velocity is 0. What is the time taken in this? Time taken is 5 seconds. Okay, now you have to find acceleration. What we have formula? Acceleration is equal to what? Formula we have? Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Is it not? Final velocity is what? Final velocity 0 minus initial velocity 20 by time taken 5. So 0 minus 20 minus 20 by 5. So 5 4 ja. Therefore acceleration is equal to what? Minus 4 meter per second square. What is the acceleration unit? Meter per second square. How much acceleration? Minus 4 meter per second. It means what? It is a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means retardation. Okay, retardation. Retardation is what? Plus 4 meter per second square. Now here children, you must Understand here, acceleration is negative but retardation is positive. Why? Because retardation is nothing but a negative acceleration. Yeah, negative acceleration is called retardation. So already in this minus sign is there. That's why here minus sign not there. Clear? So acceleration is negative acceleration, minus 4 meter per second square. Before also I explained you, acceleration never determines direction of motion. Positive acceleration means velocity of the body increases with time. Negative acceleration means velocity of the body decreases with time. You see here body, its velocity, what? Car velocity 20 meter per second. After applying brake comes to rest means velocity decreases, is it or not? Body moving now comes to rest, stopped means velocity decreased. So as velocity decrease, acceleration is negative. Clear? So whenever velocity of the body increase with time, that is a positive acceleration. When the velocity of the body decrease with time, that is a negative acceleration, deceleration or retardation. Clear children? Today we discussed this some sums. I'll give you some sums. You must try in your house. Okay? So write on this. Thanks for watching.